Welcome back to MicroLearning with Him. As you know, we've already explored some powerful questions about how the human body and brain work. Just like I promised, we're diving deeper step by step. Let's grow together and uncover two more fascinating questions today. Q.9. How do cells communicate with each other? Cells communicate with each other through a variety of mechanisms broadly categorized into chemical and electrical signaling. 1. Chemical signaling. This is the most common form of communication and includes autocrine signaling. A cell targets itself by releasing signals that bind to receptors on its own surface. Paracrine signaling. A cell releases signaling molecules that affect nearby cells, for example, neurotransmitters and synapses. Endocrine signaling. Hormones are released into the bloodstream and travel to distant target cells, for example, insulin from the pancreas. Juxtacrine signaling. Contact-dependent. Cells communicate through direct contact using surface molecules important in immune responses and development. 2. Electrical signaling. Neurons and muscle cells use electrical impulses to transmit signals rapidly. These impulses are generated by the movement of ions across the cell membrane and can trigger the release of neurotransmitters or contraction in muscle cells. 3. Gap junctions. Found in animal cells, gap junctions are channels that allow small molecules and ions to pass directly from one cell to another. In plants, similar structures are called plasmids. Q.10. What makes human regeneration so limited compared to some animals? Human regeneration is limited compared to animals like salamanders or zebrafish due to evolutionary trade-offs, genetic limitations, and immune system complexity. Here's a clear breakdown. 1. Loss of regenerative genes. Animals like salamanders activate genes, for example, MSX1, WNT, FGF that trigger complete limb regrowth. In humans, these genes are present but inactive or repressed after early development. 2. Scarring versus regeneration. Humans heal wounds by forming scar tissue, which is quick but not functional. Regenerative animals avoid scarring and instead rebuild complex tissues like nerves, blood vessels, and skin in perfect form. 3. Cell specialization. Human cells become highly specialized, which improves function but reduces their ability to reset and regrow into different tissues. Regenerating animals retain pluripotent or dedifferentiated cells, which can turn into many types of tissues. 4. Immune system limitations. A strong human immune system quickly clears out damaged cells, which can interfere with the regenerative process. Animals with high regenerative ability often have less aggressive immune responses, giving time for cells to regrow. 5. Cancer risk management. Limiting cell division and regeneration in humans may be a defense against uncontrolled growth, i.e., cancer. Regenerating animals have evolved ways to regrow without becoming cancer-prone, which humans have not.